This is going to be today's video review for Monday, August the 8th, 2016. You look at this morning brew market report. It comes out before 8 a.m. Eastern. We had said that 83 to 83.5 is very strong resistance, not only on the daily but also on the weekly. And we should probably see this hold today and come down to about 70.74. If 83.5 broke, then we could have seen 93.5. Of course, we never had any patterns like that, but you can see with the video coming up that we had talked about how our software works. And of course, if you have any questions after watching them, please send us an email. Thank you. So you see how this resistance right here is live and it's pressing down through this crest. See down here, this solid white midline, that's the block, right? That's where price needs to come back to. We've got axe bands for this here, and it's, you know, it's pretty strong to the upside. But what happens if resistance moves down into the crest and the support can't move up into a crest, right? Same kind of thing we were talking about here. We would expect that if resistance, like, you know, we're talking, we just get a new bar, right? So what we're looking at is we're looking at price dealing with a new bar. This is projecting a new bar. See how resistance is holding so far at this crest? This is live, right? So we would expect that if there's going to be the ability for price to roll over, we're going to have to see this resistance holding for the crest, right? If price is going to go up, support has to move up through the crest. That's the pink line, and we don't have that, right? We do not have that. What we have right now on this focus chart is we've got a valley, you know, just got a valley, you know, and support is here, and the live support's moving up, right? But we're in a C wave to the downside, which means, you know, this chart here is going to continue to work on breaking this valley here. You know, we would expect price to continue to roll over to the downside because of all that. And why? Well, we're in the block. What's in the block? We got the crest. Crest at about 78. Where's our block? Right in 78. Plus, this is an axe band right here. That's an axe band. That'll make 78 strong resistance. So what that'll mean is the support will drop back below, and resistance will start moving down and breaking down through support. So this is what we call an EP, right? As soon as that closes, R2 equal to or below R right there. That's a short, right? If you drop down to your, and if we get a signal, we want it to happen in this area 5 right here, right? Because we just pull back to both blocks and they're continuing the trend. So if we get a reversal here, that means this guy is not pushing up, and we're going to go down to, you know, this lower 76 3/4 at a minimum. You know, that's just on this one chart, but when you combine multiple charts, then you've got the bomb. There we go. There's a signal. You can get short at 77 3/4 if you can. If not, you know, 7.5. So I would go short now. Risk on the trade would be like a point. The other thing is, look at the crest, look at the resistance pushing down live into this crest, right? With an EP into the block for 70. So, you know, you can see that this resistance here just stair steps down, holds price, breaks through this white dotted midline that could have potentially held its support. Not in this case, but, you know, in general. Now, when support breaks, it acts like resistance, like it's doing. See how it's building a wall here? This is all one bar into the future, right? You can see how it's projecting live. So you could easily realize that down here, you know, maybe take something out, maybe add on here, you know, and look for this white dotted midline to continue to push lower. But there's many ways to manage using our system, and it's a very, very simple system that you can choose to take trades anywhere and any time using the exact same thing. We need to see the yellows down for short, for example. Anyway, if you're interested, send an email to jb@drummondenergybands.com. Thanks for your interest.